Hey everybody, so I got a small little tool haul and unboxing from Orileys, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I picked up these 3 items from Orileys yesterday, which yesterday was the 1st of February 2020. So I got a couple items from Orileys. That I really like. I really like these. I have 2 of them. Which these are those. They're little ratchets and drivers. So you can. I've done a unboxing I think on these before, but you can use it for as like a screwdriver. Oops. Or you can use it as with the 1/4-inch socket adapter. But the reason I'm showing this one is because they ended up having this there, which I thought was really nice. It's a 1/4-inch swivel head Roto Ratchet. I call them Roto Ratchets. Everybody else calls them swivel heads. But it's a micro ratchet. It's 1/4-inch drive. It's 90 tooth. And it's made by Titan. It's a nice little 1/4-inch ratchet. So, and this was only like $8 and some cents, so I picked it up. It's actually like a little bit bigger than this one. Not by much, it's only like a 1/2 inch longer. So I picked that up. I picked up these low profile adapter sets. So 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch, 3/8 to 1/2 inch, and 1/4 to 3/8. So 1/4 to 3/8. What I liked is they're textured on the outside and they're low profile. A lot of the ones I have are a lot longer. Like that one, for example. This is 1/2 inch to 3/8. It is a crap ton bigger. How much shorter it is. And this is part number 30936 for the adapter set. For the ratchet, it's 11313 is the actual part number. They usually have these like when you walk in, there's a booth right around the center of the store right next to the registers. That's where I found all these items. So this one is the 3/8 to 1/2. And then here is the 1/2 inch to 1 3/4. But if you look at like that, here you go. Here's a 1/2 inch to a 3/4 that I have. 3/4. Bottom is 1/2 inch, but look how much smaller it is compared to it. So it gives you it will give you a little less torque loss when you're using these. It's a lot shorter. So that's why I picked them up. And then the other item I picked up, which these three were only like, I think these were the $10 and the Ratchet was like $14 if I'm correct. Orileys. Oh, the swivel ratchet was $14.99. The adapter set was $9.99, so these were $9.99. And this was $12.99. This is an offset bit driver. I thought it'd come in handy since these come in handy. This ratchet will come in handy for really, really tight spaces. And it's an 11-piece kit. It is part number 16091. It has a magnet. It's a 90-degree low-profile driver. It's perfect for hard-to-reach spaces. It's magnetic. It shows just a picture on the back. Peel this thing out of the package. And this one's not a ratcheting, but it does have the 90-degree as well as a straight on the back. So you can use it as like a screwdriver, or you can use it as a 90-degree with leverage. It does come with some really shorty bits. They're extremely short bits to make it extremely low profile, which it's kind of neat that it comes with really short bits. I would consider these stubby micro bits. That's how short they are. So you can use it as a regular screwdriver, and I'm pretty positive, because it's just a 1/4 inch, that I could use from one of these kits. I could use like this guy. Yeah. How much shorter are these bits compared to this one? Well, just barely a little bit shorter, but not by much. But, and you can use this one, you just put the other one on, and then I can just grab like a quarter-inch socket. It doesn't ratchet, but it's not very short. But you know, if you have space, you can use it as a socket driver if you want. More than likely to save space, it'd be easier just to put it on the ratchet, because it's a lot shorter on the ratchet. But I figured it'd come in handy. You know, it might be needed for something one day. I'm going to be in a position where I'm going to need it. So these are the things I picked up. You know, it was like 40 bucks out the door, I think. What is it? Yeah, $40.70. for all three of these items. And you know, comes in a little carry case, just like these guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Eventually I will do a video where these actually come in handy and I actually do need to use them for a project. I'll see if I could do a video on it if I think about it at that time. But please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.